Hello students, in this video lecture we will prove mathematically that five-fold symmetry is not compatible with translational symmetry. The only compatible rotational symmetries with translational symmetry are one-fold, two-fold, three-fold, four-fold and six-fold. Now all of you know that translational symmetry is an integral feature of lattice structure. It means if we travel along a certain direction, then after each repeat distance, we are going to get another lattice point. Now, to find all the rotational symmetries which are compatible with translational symmetry, we have considered a regular arrangement of points in a plane. The rotation axis here is normal to the plane, which is in fact our weaving direction. As the arrangement is periodic, the repeat distance in a particular direction is fixed. So, we have taken horizontal direction as crystallographic direction. And the distance between any two consecutive points in this direction is suppose A. A, B, C, D are four consecutive points in our pattern along this direction. Therefore, all distances AB, BC and CD are equal, having measure equal to repeat distance A. Now, if we rotate the arrangement clockwise about point B by an angle theta, then point A will generate another point A prime. This new point must also be a lattice point, so that new configuration is congruent to the original configuration. Similarly, when we rotate the configuration about point C, then point D will generate a new lattice point D prime. Now, as you can see, measure of angle AB A prime at B and angle DC D prime at C is theta. Also, the lengths BA prime and CD prime are equal, as both the points A just next to B and D just next to C are at same distance from their respective neighboring points B and C. Therefore, B, C, D prime and A prime are corner points of a trapezium having side A prime D prime parallel to BC. And we can also say that line A prime D prime is along the same crystallographic direction as line BC. Along this crystallographic direction, distance between any two points will be integral multiple of repeat distance A along this direction. Therefore, length A prime D prime is integral multiple of repeat distance A. Now, in this trapezium, length A prime B prime is sum of lengths A prime B prime, B prime C prime and C prime D prime. Also, in triangle A prime B prime B, length A prime B prime is twice of A times cosine of angle theta. The lengths A prime B prime and C prime D prime are equal due to congruency of triangle A prime B prime B and D prime C prime C. From all these, we can conclude that A prime D prime is sum of BC and twice of A times cosine of angle theta, or we can say that A prime D prime is sum of A and twice of A times cosine of angle theta. Combining the results of equation 1 and equation 2, we can say that MA is sum of A and 2 times cos of theta. On rearranging these terms, we can get value of cos theta as cos theta is m minus 1 over 2. As m is an integer, we can write m minus 1 as another integer n. Value of cos theta ranges from minus 1 to 1. So, n has integral values from minus 2 to 2. That means possible value of n are 0, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Now, we will find possible values of theta. Corresponding to 0 value of n, value of theta is 2 pi by 4 means we have 4-fold axis of rotation. Corresponding to one value of n, value of theta is 2 pi by 6 means we have 6-fold axis of rotation. Corresponding to minus 1 value, value of theta is 2 pi by 3 means we have 3-fold axis of rotation. And for value 2, we have value of theta as 2 pi means we have 1-fold axis of rotation. For the last value, that is minus 2, value of theta is 2 pi by 2 means we have 2-fold axis of rotation. A unit cell possesses all the point symmetry elements of a lattice and must be complete space filling. If we consider a unit cell having 5-fold symmetry, then it is not possible to fill the whole space by stacking such unit cells. A unit cell with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6-fold symmetry is space filling. Let us conclude this video by summarizing all our findings. 5-fold symmetry and symmetries greater than 6-fold are not compatible with translational symmetry, whereas 1-fold, 2-fold, 3-fold, 4-fold and 6-fold rotational symmetries are compatible with translational symmetry. Thanks for watching. See you soon.